Next, exercise 5.1. First question, find the complement of each of the following angle. This is the first question. Angle. One angle is given 20 degree angle. Find the complement of each of the following. Then complement angle of here this angle 20 degree. So find the complement of 20 degree angle. Then complement of angle complemented angle of 20 degree is equal to find out we have complement as sum of two angles is 90 degree. That angles are known as complementary angles. Here one angle is 20 degree. So other angle how many degree angle? 90 degree minus 20 degree is equal to answer 70 degree angle. Then complement of 20 degree angle is which angle? 70 degree angle. Then balance two questions you should find yourself. Then next question number 2, find the supplement of each of the following angle. Supplement of each of the following angle. Then here question number 2, first question, complement angle. Then here one angle how many degree angle? One angle is given 105 degree angle. So find out the supplement of other angle. Right? Supplemented angle of 105 degree angle. Then supplement angle of 105 degree angle. What is the supplementary angle? Sum of supplementary angle is 180 degree angle. So when we add two angles, we get 180 degree. Here one angle is given 105 degree angle. Find another angle. So how to find other angle? Then 180 degree minus 105 degree. So we get it. So 180 degree minus 105 is equal to how many degree? 75 degree. So supplement of 105 degree is how many degree? 75 degree angle. Then next two questions you can use this same method. Then next question number 3. Identify which of the following pairs of angles are complementary and which are supplementary. Here some measures are given. Find out which are complementary and which are supplementary angles. Here first 65 degree. First question number 3. Question number 3. First question 65 degree and 150 degree. Two angles are given. This is complementary angle or supplementary angle. We know sum of two angles 90 degree. That angles are complementary angles, and sum of the angle is 180 degree. That angle is supplementary angle. Then here we can add this two angles 65 degree plus 150 degree angle. Then what is this angle? Sum is 180 degree. The sum of these two angles is 180 degree. Therefore, this which type of angle? Supplementary angle. These are supplementary angles. So we can write it. Sum of two angles is 180 degree. This one here we can write it here sum of two angles is 180 degree. Therefore Second question, what is our 63 degree and 27 degree. This is which type of angle supplementary or complementary? And find the sum. 63 degree plus 27 degree is equal to 90 degree. So these are complementary angle. We can write sum of this angle. How many degree angle? Sum of this angle is 90. Therefore, these are therefore these are complementary angles. The next question number variance questions you can find its answer yourself. The next question number 4, find the angles which is equal to its complement. Question number 4, which is equal to its complement. Here which angle is equal to its complement? Question number 4. Here we know sum of two angles 90 degree. That angles are complementary angles. Here we can take, let it the angle be x degree. Angle be x degree. We know sum of the two angles are 90 degree and these angles are equal. So, other one is equal to other. So, we can write here x degree plus x degree is equal to 90 degree. Right? X degree plus 2x degree is equal to 90 degree. Right? We can divide it by 2. So what is x degree is equal to 45. So we can write it 45 degree angle is equal to its 45 degree angle is equal to its complement. The next question number, look 5, find angle which is equal to its supplement. Which angle is equal to its supplement? Here question number 5 supplementary angle sum is 180 degree. So let the angle is we can take as x and x degree plus x degree. How many degree angle? 180 degree. Means if we add two angles is 180 degree and one angle is equal to each other. So one is x degree, so other also x degree. So we can take 2x degree is equal to 180 degree. So x degree is equal to 180 degree divided by 2 is equal to 90 degree angle. So we can write it 90 degree angle is equal to its supplement. The next question number Then in the adjoining figure, angle 1 and angle 2 are supplementary angle. If angle 1 is decreased, what changed should take place in angle 2, so that both the angles still remain supplementary. Here, two angle. This angle 1 and angle 2. Here, the sum of these two angles is supplementary angle, 180 degree angle. This angle 1 is decreased. Then what happened? This angle 2. This is decreased. Then what? This angle 2 is decreased or increased, still remain there. Measure is 180 degree. So what happened? This angle 2 is increased. If so, what is its answer? Angle 1 is decreased, then angle 1 is decreased, then angle 2 is increased. So we can write it. If angle 1 is decreased, then angle 2 should be increased, so that both the angles still remain solid. Then next question number 7.